Welcome to Walking the Earth, Turkey. Today we're at the Schezade Masjid or Jami in Old Istanbul. So this is the green column that Mimar Sinan put at this location to mark the center of Constantinople, because that's what it was called until the early 1900s was Constantinople. So if you look here, it's a very busy section, so I'll go ahead and read this. This marble porphyry stone, which has 38 centimeters in diameter and 128 centimeters in height, is located at the southern corner of the exterior walls of Schezade Mosque. It is storied that this monumental stone had indicated the center of Old Istanbul. The only written document about the story of this stone is in the Book of Travels by Evliya Çelebi, who lived in the 17th century. In the first volume of this book, it's mentioned that architect Sinan, Mimar Sinan, wanted to build Schezade Mosque at the center of the city. After making measurement within the area surrounded by the city walls, he determined that this point as the center and put a green pillar above there. This point was the center of Istanbul, according to him. In another story about the stone, it is mentioned that there had been a sign at this point in the Byzantine period in order to mark the center of the old city. From the construction of Schezade complex, architect Sinan located a green marble pillar above this point corresponding to the exterior walls of the courtyard, so he revised a previous sign. Although this green pillar could be turned around its vertical axis by help of iron spindles located at the top and bottom of the stone, it is no longer possible to turn due to elevation of street level. So this used to be used to rotate, I guess, 360 degrees. So here's a porphyry stone marking the center of Old Istanbul. It was put here by Mimar Sinan according to stories, and here is one of his masterpieces, one of his masterworks, the Schezade Masjid. And right here we have the turbe, or the tomb of Rustam Pasha, which you could go and see. That's another one of the masjid dedicated to him, is or commissioned by him. It's very near here. It has beautiful Iznik tiles. That's also considered to be a masterpiece of Mimar Sinan. I think this is Sinan considered this his apprentice work, and then Rustam Pasha's masjid, and Sinan also designed his turbe, but the masjid near here was kind of his intermediate level, and then his masterwork was in Edirne. And Edirne is old Hadrianopolis, the city of Hadrian, and so this is the center of Istanbul, this porphyry green stone.